Limpopo had the highest failure rate, with around 89% of the stations failing to answer any calls. The Free State was second worst, with 69.1% of the stations not answering.
Goeienaand, Mr. Vlok. Daar's mense wat vir ons dryf met vuurwapens. Ek bel aan mekaar hierso. Ek het op die groep gestuur, niemand tel op nie. Ek het 4 keer gebel. En Kentucky Straat, kan iemand net vir ons help asseblief, want ek het kinders by die huis.
Presidential stations, the fact that they are a priority did not guarantee that they would answer their phones.
That was my experience about people to tell me that you should really think before this fucking weekend, I would say actually I
this. If we, as security cluster, the people who are charged with the responsibility of protecting citizens, we are playing